You cannot expect a very uniform level across all the resources. So it's fine that you're scoring a bit variation. You have a higher variation,
Stop presenting, bro.
but it is not fine that you do not analyze the paper and stop revision when you get low scores or something. Keep on doing that, and you will gradually increase your scores, be it the lower limit or the upper limit.
Everyone, please turn off your
Turn
camera
off your videos and
video,
mics as
please.
well.
Yeah, guys, so ask your queries. So, like, instead of the live stream, which kind of sucked today, I'll put this in the YouTube channel. So, if you want, you can like see other queries also, and this so that this can be a live stream of its own. And
Uh, Someone, Varikuti, Varalakshmi, uh,
start
someone there,
asking.
yes. Guys, please turn off your video. Else the bandwidth, there will be an issue, and the videos and voices will lag.
Varikutti Varalakshmi is
Sorry for not pronouncing the name as
uh,
it should be.
sorry. Yeah.
Uh,
Guys, people are joining, right? Maza aega abhi.
So Sai Krishna, I know RV College from Bangalore. What about it?
Guys, start asking questions. We'll answer them all.
What is the
Have
level of
you?
bits at board level, mains or advanced? It's more
Arey,
like mains advanced.
Paras don't start
Main,
from the bottom question. Yeah, answer this one, then we'll begin from the top.
mains, it's more like mains paper, but it has more questions and it's faster. It also tests English and logical reasoning, so it's a bit different. But the PCM questions that they ask are mostly mains level. Uh,
Okay, so now we'll begin from the top. We have already answered Garvit's query.
you've also answered that IIT
IT
Rohtak.
preparations,
I am,
Rohtak.
yeah.
Yusuf
Now,
Zafar, please close your camera. Yes.
So then,
is the specialization in AI in CSK available? So this is something you need to understand. So engineering courses are very theoretical. They'll tell you about the fundamentals which are required for all these new cutting edge fields like AI, ML, maybe data science, and all that. So as such, we have electives in these subjects which can be taken by a student, but the core of the engineering courses are theoretical subjects. Say you need to understand the basics behind like if you are talking about AI, you need to understand the basics of the mathematics behind it, the programming behind it, all the coding, all the data structures, the algorithms which are implemented in it. So it's very theoretical part, and it is actually very necessary for all this to be studied, to be proficient in these new fields.
Okay.
Manthan, Devansh, Paras, anything.
As you said, specialization in AI. See, in engineering, if you do a specialization in AI, it's not like because you first need to get the basic knowledge of computer science, and then during the course of computer science, we ourselves try to learn it on our own, or also you can take electives. These are uh, this will become a part of your course. You can choose it if you want to, and then you can study it.
Yeah,
Um,
so but that is a very limited part of what people in our college do. Now, if you are talking about AI, there are a lot of people in our college who have studied it on their own, who have projects, who have internships in various foreign universities in this field, maybe also in various companies and startups too. So that's the thing. Like there are a lot of fields like this. There's AI. There's parts of AI. There's part of ML. Maybe, like ML is a very broad field. There's natural language processing and there's clustering. There's a lot of things. So people
let's
generally
not
choose one
confuse
of
them now.
Yes.
Well,
So people generally choose one of the small topics and develop some projects on it, and that's how we explore things in college. It's not that the CSE faculty will ask you to do something. No, it doesn't happen this way. They will teach you the
Like,
basics. They will teach you the
कार्तिक है बहुत
concepts behind.
हाँ,
What? हाँ?
बहुत क्वेश्चन है.
थोड़ा
anyways,
ज्यादा हो
Amit,
गया, बट लाइक इट्स थोड़ा बताना ये जरूरी
if
था.
you're asking what college does for this machine learning and AI, so there are projects in which like teachers and faculties are working. So तुम लोग को अगर उसके थ्रू कुछ करना होता है, तुम टीचर्स को अप्रोच करते हो जनरली, एंड दे
Yeah.
काइंड ऑफ हेल्प यू इन गेटिंग द प्रोजेक्ट्स. और उसके अलावा yeah, you can do it on your own. A lot of people do it on their own, or otherwise there are open electives. It's like for there's an elective for machine learning, there is an elective for data science. तो वो सब है. So I
Okay,
think
many are asking backup colleges if we are not able to get JEE and BITSAT. See, if you
ऐसे
are not able to
ये
get JEE,
चीजें अभी मत सोचो, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ. Please do
but
not
still,
think like that.
there is VIT, Manipal, and SRM, and of course your state college entrance exams. They are very good. That's the backup you
Mm.
can keep. Yeah.
So
Try to
like
give your best
wow.
first in all the papers,
Hmm.
whether it's JEE, BITSAT or advanced, mains, BITSAT and advanced. Okay. Then after when the results come out, and we'll see what are the choices that you have, and then on those basis
Then you
decide
can
whether you have
ask on the
some
groups and
interest in the
whatever.
particular field or not. And yeah, that's don't think of this as of now. We would
Yeah.
suggest this.
Give the like I'm sure you have filled a lot of forms, and give all of them your best shot. That's it. We'll worry about all this backup colleges whatever later on.
Okay, so Kalp Patel is asking, I am feeling fatigued while solving mock tests at home. I'm not able to improve speed. Okay,
That's fine, bro. See, like your exams have delayed a lot. It's very natural for you to feel burnt out. But at the same time, you cannot give up now. Otherwise, whatever preparation you have done for the last 2 years, 2.5 years, as of that will all be wasted. So, Manthan, carry on.
can someone crack JEE in 1 year? Like if she hasn't been well in class 11th and 12th. Uh,
It's possible, but see,
yeah,
everything is possible, but you'll have to put in
it's
efforts.
possible. Many of you guys, I've seen that you haven't done a lot of preparation in their 11th standard, and they have delayed it to 12th. But this time is you have this at your advantage. Okay, you if you want, you can utilize it to the fullest, and this will really help you. If you even if you were not able to prepare because of some health issues, or if you just wasted your time, don't worry, just don't lose hope. Okay, and suppose there's one of our guys who was not able to do the preparation just because of this. He took a drop, and next year then he joined BitSat. He gave bits and BitSats, and he joined bits. So he's with us right now. So you can do that as well if you are willing to take drop, feeling that you didn't get the enough opportunity to show your potential or give your best shot at the exam. In those cases.
Manthan, Ankit, you're talking about Ankit.
Uh,
Okay.
uh,
Yes, so is EC very hard? Prinanshu Anand has asked this. So, bro,
um,
one thing you'll have to
Nothing is easy, I would
understand.
say.
Yeah. You cannot think like you have finished 12th now, it's smooth sailing from now. It's even more tougher. Whatever branch you choose, whatever branch you choose, and whatever interests you more, if you're not too much into that branch, you'll have
Yeah,
to put in a
first year
lot
will
of
be light.
efforts to
Only
whatever.
first year will be light. Not.
First year will be relatively light, then
Uh,
you'll face the real
okay.
music.
Yeah. And see, all the branches are equally hard. It just depends. Some branches, the faculties are strict in grading. That just depends on the faculty. You cannot do anything about it. In Pilani, in the Triple E branch, my senior told me that they used to take 8 a.m. tests for 6 days in a week for the whole semester. So yeah, there's some cases like that also. but that doesn't mean that it is not good. Pilani Triple E is also a very good branch. So you just have to obviously work hard. That's I would
Work
just say.
hard. Guys, you have to work hard a lot. Don't get too chilled about it. Like enjoy your college life,
Okay,
that's fine. But
electrical. Pilani doesn't have AC. Pilani only has triple E
Triple
and
E, I
A.
said. Huh?
Pilani
Pilani
has
has to.
triple E and ENI. Bits Goa has all three: ENI, AC, triple E.
Even
Hyderabad,
Hyderabad has all three, I
Hyderabad
think.
also three. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yusuf Zafar is asking, I've got 99.56 percentile in JEE Mains. I want to prepare for UPSC
Nice.
seriously. Which branch and college should I take?
UPSC again is after done, I guess. You need a bachelor's degree first.
Yeah.
नहीं
You
नहीं
need a
हाँ
bachelor, so
but
maybe he's asking like what
यूपीएससी में
field is
क्या होता
going
है
to be more
यूपीएससी में यू हैव
inclined.
टू गिव 3 एग्जाम्स यूपीएससी में 3 एग्जाम देने होते हैं सो फर्स्ट एग्जाम इज कॉमन इट डजंट डिपेंड ऑन एनी ब्रांच यू जस्ट नीड टू हैव अ बैचलर्स डिग्री फॉर दैट एंड द सेकंड एग्जाम इज बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट यू डिड योर बैचलर्स ऑन so that that part it is said electrical and core branches are good computer science के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है because all those courses are not available for exams so you will have to give
Yeah,
another
there are
exam
a lot of
another course
optional
that you have
courses.
not studied so if you are seriously thinking about that then keep a core branch keep an mostly don't go for you can go for chemical mechanical but try to go for electrical rather than uh, going for mechanical or chemical.
Okay, so I guess these guys are just repeating their questions. Like some guy has said, like, what is the hostel fees of single bed AC and single bed non-AC?
Bro, we
Okay,
do
so
not
there
have
is,
AC.
There is
yeah,
no AC.
There's AC in the
okay,
library. We sleep
I
there sometimes.
no engineering college except IIT Gandhinagar has ACs in the rooms. Okay, yeah, I don't know
Newer
why
IITs
they
have
have
really
kept
good
it.
hostels.
Yeah, but just forget that you will have the benefit of AC in
It's
your room.
fine, bro.
Hmm.
Yeah, you just have to like
VIT,
cooperate with a
VIT,
roomie
VIT में
guy.
Yeah.
ठीक है VIT में पैसे
So,
दो तो कुछ भी करेंगे वो लोग.
But
IIT में
the
होता है
weather
हाँ
of Goa
maybe.
is also like really good.
Yeah, the weather
You
of
don't.
course is really good. You do
बट
not need
हाँ,
AC.
गोवा में ठीक है गर्मी के टाइम पे बहुत ह्यूमिडिटी होती है बट बाकी बहुत अच्छा वेदर रहता
गर्मी
है
के
जरूरत
टाइम
नहीं
हम
पड़ता.
वापस आ गए सर हमें आइडिया नहीं होता.
Single
so
bed non
yeah.
AC for first year it is not there. For first year in BITS Goa
अरे
it's
AC कहाँ है?
non
AC तो
AC
AC तो
non
नहीं
AC.
मिलेगा.
For
AC
first year
कहाँ?
you have
Okay,
to share your
so
room.
yeah,
Yeah.
in case there are odd number of students, then maybe one guy will get a single room. Otherwise, it's
हाँ.
not possible.
If you're lucky that your roommate like he gets a seat in some other like last round he gets a seat in Pilani or Hyderabad like or any other, so he will move and maybe you won't get a roomie for the next step.
From second year, you will get a single room. Fees you can check on
Yeah,
BITS official website.
single
Romit,
room
please turn
and
off
like
your
in the first
camera.
year, it's not really nice to have a single room. And like
If
room.
please gender ratio
IIT
in bits.
preparations पहले आ जाओ फिर देखना.
जेंडर रेशियो इन बिट्स अभी पढ़ने पे ध्यान दे लो
Gender ratio.
उसके बाद ये सब
हाँ
देखना.
वैसे it's
हाँ
I
ठीक
think
है.
1:8 or something.
For more information, contact Devash Dikshit.
हाँ
Yes.
Carry on, let's move on, guys. आगे बात करते हैं.
What clubs,
देवांश
PORs,
तू भी
and
तो कुछ
electives you
आंसर
guys
कर.
took in BITS? Bro, clubs so
The
clubs is different.
clubs.
Electives अलग है. Clubs and POs do not contribute to your CGPA, so
कहाँ
electives is
लिखा है?
different.
अच्छा हाँ.
अबे
ऊपर की
clubs
तरफ.
तो
Where is this? Who has asked this?
Club
Uh,
Kyan Sahil Sharma. Uh, what clubs,
clubs.
PORs, and electives you guys took in BITS? See,
How
electives we
would
have
the
not
electives
taken till
and
now.
clubs in
From
which?
next year, we will be taking.
Yeah, so
There's a list that
I'll
is
brief
given,
you
and
about
then we
the.
choose from it. It's first year you don't get
Okay.
to choose
So
electives.
I'll join in 1 minute. Okay. Wait,
Yeah. So I'll give you a brief about electives. Electives are taken by the specialized faculty. So suppose there's a faculty who is researching in cryptography, then the mathematics elective of cryptography would be taken by that faculty. So the the knowledge you get from the electives is at the max you can get from the college, because that's where the faculty is researching. And so clubs is a different thing. Clubs and departments are different. They are mainly dependent on like uh, what your interests are. Suppose you are interested in photography, and there's a department of photography, and there's a filmmaking club. There's a lot of opportunities for you. So just get here, then we'll talk about all this. Paras. Wait, I'll ask the next question. So,
Tips
does
for
Manipal
mathematics
exam?
preparation. Bhaiya, I played for cricket under 14. How is facility cricket? Badhiya bits we have a cricket team also.
We have a BCCI certified cricket ground. The matches.
And it's good, no problem in there. Does bits have any sports competition? We have a sports fest that goes for like a week, and also we have inter-hostel competition. So it's pretty like you will be active throughout the year. No
and
problem.
and our sports teams go to the competitions for other colleges. So
Okay,
Uh,
so
that's
where are we?
pretty good.
Sorry.
जल्दी से हाँ
Sports.
अबे उनके सारे क्वेश्चंस हो गए ना अभी what do we
No,
prioritize
no, no, no. 1 second.
bro I've made a video on that कि कैसे क्या करना है like strong topics and weak topics
अरे
वो देख
बता दे भाई कौन सा course.
अरे टाइम वही मतलब वीडियो में
Okay,
बैठे
okay, fine, fine.
Does Banipal exam does well from home? What does that mean?
Manipal is conducting a proctored exam, I think,
हाँ
online. So
अच्छा हाँ एक
it's the
मिनट
first time it's happening, so no comment.
tips for 2021 aspirants. 2021 aspirants जो भी 11th में पढ़ रहे हो just keep proper notes for it, and बीच बीच में 12th में पेपर देते रहना 11th वाले, क्योंकि mostly what happens is when you go back after you complete 12th syllabus you forget 11th syllabus, so it's necessary to
Don't do this mistake.
revise continuously, and
Assign some huge chunks. Like let's say I'll revise coordinate geometry. So carry on with your 12th course, and then solve coordinate geometry book side by side and revise your notes. Don't go too specific into all the topics. You have already studied it once, so it's fine.
Bits, pros and cons. यार ये क्या question हुआ?
बहुत broad है यार ये.
हाँ, like it's a very broad question. Every college has its own pros as well as cons. Even IIT Bombay will have some cons. Okay.
So it's more dependent on
It's
what
relative. Okay.
what all
You
options
have
you have
to like
given.
give your best shot at the paper. Like at the time of giving exam, like don't get nervous or scared. Like many people are really nervous that their hands start shaking while giving the paper. Okay, so don't fall into that category. Control your nerves, and yeah, just do your best.
So bits pros and cons. So the next question: bits had 2020 going to be cancelled. We have no idea, and it's most probably not going to be cancelled.
Okay. Yeah.
Keep in touch with the official website.
I think VIT and SRM have done that.
VIT and SRM are cancelled, I think. VIT is definitely cancelled. I'm scared if I fail JEE and Richard, my life is ruined. No, it's not like that.
so there are a lot of opportunities
Life begins after college, actually. Like, this
Does
is
BITS have any sports competitions?
तो बता दिया ना.
हो गया क्या?
हाँ
अभी just करा.
Okay.
Can we get a dual degree at score of 270 to 280? Yes, you can, and I think below 280 you will not get mathematics and economics. The other dual degrees you can get. So I want to learn IoT. Go ahead. No problem. How to improve integrals? So they'll practice a lot of questions just. And be clear with try to remember what you do in each question. Like there are standard questions like if there's a cause and sign in the denominator, what will you do? If there's a tan square in the numerator, what will you do? And so as
Okay,
such,
so it's okay to take CS. First of all, if you are getting it, then it's a like good thing, and you should not like give away that opportunity, I would say. uh,
A
eh,
good thing to get CS. ठीक है, sorry, continue.
okay, so there's no prior knowledge about coding or something else is required. You can learn everything once you come to college. Okay, Paras I think has done that only.
yeah. So guys, on an
Paras,
unrelated note, थोड़ा सा this is a family friend who
नहीं
was
but you
asking.
can learn ना, ऐसा कुछ
अरे
नहीं.
सुनो, listen to the story. Was asking like, can you suggest some coding course for my daughter? Like what standard she's in? She's third.
Okay.
It's so like live your childhood, live your, even in 11th and 12th, you don't need to need to do coding. It's fine. Live your life, practice PCM. That's fine. No need to begin everything too early. Like there are
Uh,
people who begin JEE preparation from fourth class. That's useless.
what is the maximum time we can go outside of the campus? Okay, I think you
थोड़ा
should not like.
campus specific चीजें मत पूछो. But like
हाँ,
we have a
like
10:30 in time. We can go
हाँ,
out after 5:30, after 5 o'clock, I think. On the normal days, on Saturday we can go after 1, I
वन.
think, and on
हाँ,
Sunday
भूल
we
गए क्या?
can go out anytime. भाई अब तो घर पे है, अब क्या करें?
Guys, बहुत मजा आएगा, तुम आओ कैंपस तो आओ पहले.
हाँ, पहले
कैंपस
तैयारी कर लो,
कैंपस
इसलिए we are
हम भी
focusing
आए
on
भाई.
that again.
हाँ, भी आओ.
Surya, please turn up your camera.
Uh, कर लो
If I have
कैमरा.
not
Are there
studied,
any foreign exchange programs at Wits? I don't know
wait,
about this.
Garvit is asking if we have not studied bio in class 12, we can take bio dual if we are getting. Yeah, bro. Most
Yeah.
people don't
Absolutely.
study bio, obviously, because they're studying PCM.
Most
But
of the dual degree bios have not taken bio.
yeah, and so basically they come here to get the bit stack because bit stack काफी अच्छा होता है and it's like they prefer college over branch. तो वो इसलिए आते हैं जनरली.
And guys, like
And
बहुत
like
बहुत emerging
first year
field
में
है
अच्छा कर
biology.
लो तो
Biology, maths, economics, they are very niche fields like which do not have a lot of knowledgeable people. So it's very beneficial to have these. Okay, next question. All my relatives cracked top IIT now. I am fail. I'm screwed. Chill, भाई. क्या ही relatives करते रहता है IIT crack. There are a lot of relatives who do not crack anything. कितने लोगों को भाव दोगे? Chemical or dual, which is better if you don't get CSE or electronics? Who would like to answer this?
क्या कौन सा sorry chemical or dual
Like
which is better?
if you're getting a low score, chemical or dual. See that.
See, it's some. It also depends on your interest. Like, if you are interested in some like maths or physics or any like particular subject research field, also you want to, then you can join dual. And as a main BTech degree, you can get CS and electronics as well, depending on your first year CGPA. Okay, so chemical, like
There
I
are
don't know
people
a
who are
lot about.
interested in chemical. Like there's a
Yeah.
guy who lives on a floor and he got a high score, but he still chose chemical. So it depends on your interest.
Hmm.
And if it's not, and if you are seriously targeting CSE or electronics, then go for the dual option.
Sham Sundar, please, bro, turn off your camera.
Shyam Sundar.
Hmm. Sham
Shyam
Sundar has
Sundar was
left the
my
meeting.
TRW partner.
बुरा मान गया यार.
Why are the spamming messages on webinar now? This is not YouTube.
Guys, backlog है. Why aeronautical engineering is not there?
Is
It's a
not
very
there in which.
specialized field. Still.
No idea, bro.
Bro,
Like
we did not. We were not part of that when deciding the courses
like they
for
didn't
students.
call us and
Sorry,
ask
we were
भाई
not. We are not that old.
aeronautical लगवाना चाहिए कि नहीं.
uh, if you
Like
want, you
it's
can
difficult
go
to
and join IIT Kharagpur, I guess. हाँ, Kharagpur में है. और भी
Kharagpur,
colleges में है.
Mumbai, Kanpur. It's there in many ITs, but the thing is, it's a very specialized field, and it
Guys,
will contain a lot of stuff from mechanical, electronics. So don't worry a lot about this.
बी फार्मा सिर्फ हैदराबाद में है ना?
नहीं पिलानी में भी है.
B Pharma is in Hyderabad and Telangana.
Okay, how is
Guys,
it?
if we
Someone is
closing
asking.
the webinar
I'm
in
scoring 7. Wait a second. No, I'm not scoring 75 plus in PCM. Should I leave it at? So, like this, the criteria 75%. If it gets scrapped, then you'll be at an advantage. So, like you are already preparing for JEE and other exams. So just keep preparing. Don't don't stop your preparation. If the criteria is getting scrapped, then it will be your advantage. Otherwise, nothing will happen.
Why is some guys ask when will the normal college life start again for us, bro? Are you already in college?
Huh?
नहीं, he's asking for the
Huh? Who is it?
first year वालों के लिए कब start होगा?
Oh, we have no idea. We have no idea when our colleges will start. If you
We
don't
know
know,
our
this
semester is going
semester,
to
second year,
start
first
on
semester is
7th.
online for us.
Yeah.
It's starting on 16 or 17, and it's online. We'll stay here for half of the year.
It will be online for them also. There is no option.
And yeah, no option.
Okay, so I want to learn Internet of Things. So what course should I take? First of all, please.
Unrelated.
There are a lot of courses and
Ask related
specialization if
questions.
you want to do. For IoT, check out Udemy and Coursera sites. There are there. But first of all, please focus on your prep. I will say that again and again.
So, and one more thing, all this stuff is happening in our colleges at a very good stage. Like electronics club, and then it has the IoT vertical also. I think, and there's a AeroD. There are a lot of technical clubs where a lot of interesting things happen.
Yeah.
So it's like if you want to do it right now, if you have too much interest, then go ahead. No one is stopping you. But we'll recommend you to prepare for the exams as of now. Don't do waste a single second on anything else. Okay, so how's the B Pharma thing in bits? See, if you were from Hyderabad or Pilani campus, then you would have an idea. But
It's not a preferred field, yeah. So it just has the
let's
last
stop
possible way to
presenting.
get in bits.
No. Actually, I have a few friends who are giving NEET and AIMS, so even they know about this. That B Pharma is that BITS offers a very highly ranked B Pharma degree. So I don't think PCM students as such do this, but the medical students they do it a lot.
Okay, so we'll stop the meeting at 7 o'clock, I guess.
No.
10 minutes.
एक minute.
10 minutes from now.
7 o'clock meeting है.
Yeah.
Cell की.
Let's quickly ask more questions. Okay, so this zero attendance policy. Okay.
Guys, I'm
Again, I'll ask you.
हाँ, तो
college
जीरो
specific
अटेंडेंस
questions
के बारे
पूछता
में एक मस्त सा वीडियो आ रहा है अभी, वो एनिमेटेड है थोड़ा. I have
अच्छा,
planned to make an animated video, तो अच्छा लगेगा.
short में if I tell so zero attendance is a scam. If you really want to score well in your exams in bits, then you have to attend a lot of classes. If you are not attending, then you have to study it on yourself. Like most people prefer classes because it's the easier way out instead of starting from scratch on yourself. So whatever suits you. But
Can you
ask
change from
about
B Pharma to B
preparation
Tech?
questions.
I don't think that's
I
possible,
don't
no?
think so. And we
Because
don't have an B Pharma.
no, not also. But like, it's not the thing that you can come from MSc to B Tech. It's not that. You have to do a 5-year course in any case. So I don't think
You can do that, but it requires a very high CG. So don't think of doing that. Not
Okay,
a
so
lot
I'll
of
be
people do
doing
that.
like questions, like answering them fast. So
Okay.
there was one guy who asked, minimum score required to get into Goa EC, bro, please check the previous year cutoffs.
Cutoffs.
They are there on the website. Okay, so how can I join petroleum engineering from chemical engineering? Like
GaveGate, I think.
you can, but I don't know, to be honest, a lot about this. You need to ask like some senior who is already in this field. Once you get into a college, you will interact with a lot of seniors, and you can ask any of your doubts. They won't hesitate at all. Okay. So, Devansh, bro, तेरे लिए suggestion है, make a video on rules of bits and
Make a video on rules of bits.
uh,
Okay, and rules.
Best dual degree pair. Okay, so best dual
Eco
degree
plus
pair.
CS.
So
maths plus CS.
Eco plus CS, Maths plus CS, and then there's Chemical plus Chemistry. There's Bio plus CS.
Chemical plus
अच्छे रहते हैं
chemistry
यार,
तो
सही
अगर
करा।
कॉलेज में
Chemical पर हाँ
फुल एंजॉय करनी है
भाई
कॉलेज
अच्छा ही
में
होगा।
केमिकल प्लस केमिस्ट्री
And there's
Foreign
Bio
exchange
plus CS
programs.
is also very nice.
कॉलेज में
exchange
फॉरेन
programs, I
एक्सचेंज
don't have
प्रोग्राम्स
any
है क्या?
idea.
लाइक आई डोंट नो अबाउट देम.
Guys, generally ऐसा
I
होता है कि
haven't heard.
डुअलाइट्स में everyone tries to get CS because उसके साथ कुछ भी ऐसा बैकअप करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है because CS is a very wide field ना and it has like applications in every field. So economics, maths, physics, सब everyone tries to get CS. So if you have any branch combination with CS तो अच्छा रहता है उसके साथ. तो
हैज पारस लेफ्ट द
सुपर
मीटिंग?
स्कैड कौन है भाई?
हाँ पारस had to
मैं भाई
go.
like chill भाई. Does astrophysics? No, like it doesn't offer a degree in astrophysics. Which branch is good to take? Very subjective question.
व्हिच ब्रांच इज गुड
Depends
टू
on your
टेक?
interest, depends on your score. There are a lot of
हाँ.
factors.
अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो CS ले लो भाई.
हाँ
हमें
भाई
मिलनी चाहिए
सबने
पहले.
आधे लोगों ने यही करा है. Nobody knows why everybody is after CS. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है.
इट्स जस्ट थर्ड फॉलोइंग.
Hooks है.
दैट्स इट.
सोसाइटी ने बना दिया है रूल. CS.
इंजीनियरिंग ले लो, बहुत स्कोप है. यही बस ये चल रहा है.
हाँ है. उसमें भी अब CS कर लो, बहुत स्कोप है.
सीएस में पैसा ज्यादा है, इंटरेस्ट से नहीं लेते लोग.